up, everybody? Today we are going to be doing electric stone. So we need to find all 3 stones and then combine them all. Okay, let's go find these. Let's go find these. Okay, come on. Let's go. We climb down the ladder. Well, there's like an entire field of grass over here.
We need to try to. Ooh, there's a lot.
Oh yeah. Does it have any clues? What does it say?
It says spin on the spinny thing 50 times.
Okay.
All right, I'll do that.
Okay. Does it say we both have to do it, or just you have to do it?
One has to do it. So
I'll
do it.
Here. Do you want to hold?
All right. Don't get dizzy, guys.
Yeah, don't get dizzy. Caesar winning. Yep. And he's going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right. I think we're good.
All right, let's take a stop.
All right. 10 minutes later.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the final spin. I'm so dizzy. I think I do it. Okay.
You need my hand?
Okay. Now let's go back to the laptop.
Yeah. Oh, well, that changed. There's kids over there. I don't know. I think we shouldn't record them. But,
All right. We need to. Maybe we should go to the back of the laptop.
oh yeah, there's like an opening right there. Wait, what's that here, dude? Okay, you guys go. You see anything? Is there anything in there?
Oh yeah, there is. There's a paper.
Wait, there is?
Look what it says.
Says,
Guys. Hold it. What's it say? Oh, I think it says you've completed a quest. Now touch the farthest tree from the Lax box, and you will get your next quest.
it's over. Wait, in the park? Not in the park.
Wait. Oh, it says in the park.
In the park, okay.
Let's go over there.
Well, should we just like run over there?
I don't know.
I'll try holding this smooth for you, but it's really hard to hold stuff smooth when I'm holding the camera. Because when I run, it goes like this, because the grass is bumpy and all wobbly. So, oh wait, look. It's directly over here from the lockbox, and the exact same type of bush. Oh, there's another lockbox in here.
Should we go check that out?
Yeah. What does it say?
It only says you're very close.
It says Belle. It says Belle, you're very close.
Then maybe we should
Was one of those kids over there named Belle? Like Bella? I know that's the name. Wait, but wouldn't the farthest tree... Oh wait, there's something here. There's a rocket.
That's not
Guys.
something.
It's nothing. Okay, so this is the furthest. Do we pick up the stick?
Oh yeah, the quest was right there. What does it say?
Says you made it. Now go back to that middle lockbox you found that said you were very close. It will give you a good hint to maybe find one of the items. One of the lightning items?
Wait, I saw there was something else on the tree. Let's go see. Because
Okay.
remember, we also need the. Oh yeah, it says it up there. You see it?
Wait. Oh,
What's
yeah.
the quest? Wait,
It says
what's that say? Guys,
I
do you
don't-
see it?
Oh, the camera caught it. The camera caught it.
All right, let's go back in and to see the footage and see what we.
Okay, let's see the footage. Okay.
All right.
Rewind. Oh my gosh, that's really cool.
What did it say?
Okay, it said the exact same thing, but I guess that was for tall people.
Oh, okay. But then maybe the lockbox will have the quest.
Yeah, because that's what it said. Wait. Look. These weren't here before. And these are like footprints of some sort. And then look. It leads to this hole. What is in this hole?
Oh, I know. You probably have to jump from each stone like this.
Oh. Do we both? Oh, you did it. Boom.
Alright.
Okay. Now it will probably show. Well, there's a Starbucks drink there now. That's actually really weird.
Oh yeah, it says good job hopping on the stone. I didn't even have to tell you. Your next quest is go down each slide 3 times, each of you, and then I will give you the coordinates to your next stone. Just after you finish it, go to the first lockbox, but go to the right side.
Okay. It's nice.
So we have to go down that slide and that slide 3 times each.
But there's a third slide. Look, it said 3 slides. It said
Oh,
go
yeah.
down all 3 slides.
So we each have to go down 9 times. Because
That 3, and that 3. Yeah. So we're gonna go down slides. If we add up together, 9 plus 9, 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 plus 9 equals 18. Quick maths. Okay. Quick maths. So should I just like time lapse this because no one wants to see us go down slides, right?
how about we
Okay, fine. You can see our reaction to go down some
only the
baby slides.
only one of each time. Let's go.
Alright, let's race.
This one first.
Okay, this is the racing slide.
2, 1. I won. Alright, that was fun. I'm gonna climb
Okay,
up. Next one.
next one. Okay. Are you gonna hop down there? Hopefully you guys can get a good footage of it. No, that's not a good footage. But you get a good footage of my smile. Okay. Let's head down this spiral. What?
What are you doing?
Recording.
What?
We're recording a video.
Play with you?
No. It's kind of.
Only for people that are 8 years plus.
It's for people that are 8 years plus. It's a little inappropriate.
Alright, now let's do the time lapse.
Okay. Time lapsing up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
So do that side while I do this side, and then we're finished.
No, we have to do that other side. Do 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 do.
Let's go now.
Oh, that's slide.
Finish.
Okay, that's a little exhausting. Now let's go back to the lockbox. No, it's the second one. Wasn't it the second one?
No, finish here.
But it told us to meet back over there.
So then meet at the other one though.
Okay, over here, over here.
Okay. We have to check the left side first. Oh, it was tricking us. It was actually on the left side.
Oh my god.
What does it say?
Okay, it says in the oh, it says you were so close. I'll give you a hint of music.
Okay.
Wait, aren't those music?
Mhm.
Didn't we literally pass it? And what is that green glowing thing?
Where?
Look, in the distance.
Oh yeah, I kind of.
I think of music.
There it is.
Oh, we found one.
The first one.
Wait,
Alright.
is this a magical ball? Look, if we bounce it, I think it glows. Want to see this? Yeah, it glows up. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay. Okay, well,
Now let's play music.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Something happened. I heard something.
I think that lockbox moved. I swear, if that lockbox is not there, that is going to be so creepy. Okay, that lockbox is still there, but
We're gonna do a time lapse and walk over there.
okay. Okay, wait here.
Okay, and now here. Now, something happened. Oh yeah.
Yep,
You've
moved.
completed the. You said if you completed the first quest. Now you each have to go on the tire swing. Now you each have to go on the tire swing and the regular swing and swing 10 times each.
Okay. Does it mean like 1, 2, 3, 4?
I think you mean for the tire swing 1, 2,
Like
3.
But what about for the normal swing? Is
Then
it
I
up?
think
There's
it's
like
up, down is 1. I think it's up, then down is 1.
Oh.
Like when you do up, down, and then we go back up, that counts as 1. And then you go, and then you finish
Okay.
the up, and then you go down.
So let's do these first. I'm gonna put this electric one in my pocket. Hopefully it doesn't electrocute my pants.
1.
Oh, I don't have any pockets.
Well, a good thing I do.
Okay, here. Put that in your pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh wait, we finished. Yeah. That's it. Now we need to do tire swing. Okay. Whoa, we got a radar turn.
Let's get extra points and go another 10.
Feet in.
Wait, that actually may give us a clue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
I think
It probably hurt you more than me because I had to like go like this.
we should do it without touching the ground.
Okay, but how am I gonna hold the vlog camera? Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, finished. Okay, let's get up. Why? Back in the video. So, now I don't know what to do, but okay,
Push
so
us.
we're on the tire
You
swing.
push us and then I'll push you.
Okay.
You get out first.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. I think I'm a bit stuck here. Okay. Okay, so get on like that, yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's my turn.
Stop me.
Ah! Can't. Yeah, there we go. I think that's good. Now let me hop on this sucker. Okay. Don't push me fast, please. Because I'm holding the camera. And I can't have this thing fall. Ah! Oh no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, stop me, please. Oh! That felt like a break on a roller coaster. So uncomfortable.
Now let's pop the line.
No. That's not what it said. That'd be way too romantic. No. Okay, let's go. Let's go back to there. Go back over there. Middle listen. Okay.
I just want to talk to you for a little bit.
Okay, so for some reason, the lockbox told us to walk all the way back, which is like a 7-minute walk, 10-minute walk. So we're not gonna time lapse it. We're just gonna talk to you guys about the situation that just happened.
All right.
So there were these like kids.
Now we're like 0 years old.
Yeah, and we had to trade in the tire swing to play with them for 2 minutes. But little did they know, we lied to them. Sorry, not lied. It told us to do something,
Which
The
is
lockbox?
harassment.
That's not harassment. I bet they're gonna
No,
call
they
the police.
They harassed us
How?
because they were chasing us.
Oh yeah.
Which is
They were
allowed.
also trying to stalk us,
which
which is like insanely weird. That's illegal.
Which isn't allowed in USA. So, check.
Or at least where we live. Which, yeah, we're definitely not telling the state.
So, that's what happened. But in the meantime, we found the other two stuff that we were
Yeah,
looking
we found
for.
the other two stuff. It wasn't on camera, but we can do some flashbacks of what happened. So we still got it on camera, a little bit, but
Yeah, they just we just had to walk back, and we left our stuff, and they took our iPad and deleted it.
yeah.
So,
But we still
At
have
lea-
a little footage.
At least they didn't do anything else.
Yeah, they didn't delete like
The YouTube channel.
yeah. That'd be insane like that.
So we got the other stuff, and the lockbox told us to.
No
go
way.
home.
This is the beach. It told us the wrong directions.
I mean, we can walk to the beach and do it there.
Yeah. I think we're just gonna go to the beach. I know this is like totally unexpected. This is like totally unexpected. But no, that beach is private.
Oh.
That beach is private at all.
Oh, I dropped it.
Oh no. No. At least if we told them that we did have a scooter, they would believe us. Right? So we have to go back now. So
Now
and they were actually really mean. They did not care about us at all. They were like, well, it's not my fault that your scooter was stolen, but it wasn't actually stolen.
we didn't have a scooter.
We didn't bring it.
And if you see this on YouTube, we hate you.
But that's a little mean, so yeah. I'm gonna just blur that out. You know, this channel's
Family friendly.
yeah.
All right. So now we have to walk home. But what do you think's gonna happen when we get home?
I don't know, maybe a gorilla is gonna come and punch the house down.
That would be funny.
No, it wouldn't.
Should we try to go back to the park?
Maybe. I think our plan is to head back to the park.
To see if they're still there.
Yeah.
If they are, then we'll run as fast as we can.
Yeah.
If they aren't, then
Wait, hold on. Good. So right now, well, we're still in the same video since this is a 2-video video. I don't even know what that means. I'm pretty sure I made like a video that was so good and it was named that. But
we're
it was
gonna
like
stop recording, and we'll see you at part 2.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, what's up, everybody? Today we are going to be exploring the beautiful village of Beautiful Land.
And this is also part 2 of the lightning stuff.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
Oh, okay.
This is just this is a little. That's the video after this. So
And this has to be like 10 minutes.
yeah, this will. So we're just going to be exploring in the forest.
Is that
That's
a
the-
bald eagle?
That's the first cool thing we saw. We saw a
Pigeon.
bald eagle, guys.
Oh, no, it was a pigeon.
Yeah.
That's still cool.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't see Tesla.
Oh, nice.
Okay, our next one off the list is a license plate from a different state.
Yeah.
That should be easy.
Hold on. I think trucks have license plate, if I'm not wrong. Wait. Is this from? Let me see. Yeah, that says the state that we live in. I can't tell what that says. We need a close-up of a card. So what card should we go after?
I don't know.
Well, we found a construction vehicle.
So that's one.
Yeah. What? Oh my god. Okay, that was too close for comfort. What we just saw. as we explained in like 5 minutes ago, you know how we said there was some kids? Well, we just saw their house. So that was too close for comfort. I think we're gonna cross the road right here.
Oh, we have another one
This is
checked
a
off.
Costa.
A mansion.
It's not really a mansion, but...
I'll still count it.
Oh wait, there's a car right there, and then we can walk over here.
No,
Hold on,
that's
let's look.
Illinois one. I can see.
I'm blurring that out. I'm totally blurring that out.
Because license plates.
Yeah. Okay. So what does this Ford say?
Illinois.
How do you know?
Because I can see it.
Here, let's just... I don't care, let's see. Okay. Oh no. There might be someone in this. That doesn't say what state it's from.
What's this one? Illinois.
Yeah. I don't even care anymore. We'll just reveal the state. Wait, stop.
That was Illinois' one.
Yeah.
Dang it. But it was a Oh, another one chopped off the dog.
Yeah. That's pretty nice. Someone drinking out of a water fountain.
That's checked off the list.
Why would... Oh, a fire hydrant.
Checked off the list. And a street sign.
Yeah.
That's also one. Stop sign.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what does that say?
Oh, stop.
Nope, Illinois.
Let's see. This is changed.
Wait, I can see from that far. Wisconsin.
Oh, we found it. Wisconsin. Okay. So, what now?
Oh, not much. What else is on our list?
We definitely... It's an enormous tree. Oh, canopy.
Yep. That's one. A welcome to sign.
Yeah, welcome to...
A big coffin.
A big coffin.
A slide.
A big coffin.
Someone in the Inter Miami shirt.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my god. I think we're both wearing Messi jerseys. Yeah.
There you go, Messi.
We're both wearing Messi.
Didn't have to say that.
I don't care. Not. Something that I'm allergic to. Okay, we found that.
What are you allergic to?
A feather.
Oh. All right, hold this.
Why?
A swing because we have to swing.
Okay. Why not? Whee! A nest.
Like a bird's nest?
A hornet nest, anything. I'm pretty sure I saw one over here the other day.
I'll stay here and complete another class.
No, alright, come with me.
No, because I have to complete another. Oh, American flag.
Oh, there it is. Yep. Okay, I found the hornet nest.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, what else is it? Huh? We did. Because
It got canceled. Got canceled.
And plus we have to leave in 10 minutes. Because we did have to leave in 5 minutes.
We
but
were
it got
off
canceled.
scheduled. Huh? Math homework play?
What's next on the list?
Someone playing a sport.
What? Scooting is a sport and biking.
That doesn't really count. Like soccer, basketball. Admit it? Okay, we just want to record by yourself. acorn shop. Okay, we found that.
Shoes.
Oh! That's what happens. Revenge.
That was easy.
Yeah, well, what should we do now? Well, driving.
This squirrel. Is a squirrel counted?
Yeah.
Alright, well then I haven't found one. Running.
Oh yeah, running counts as a sport. Okay, what should we do now? We already found biking. We found basically everything. Oh wait,
Geometric shape.
a geometric shape. What do you mean by that?
Oh, I already found one.
Where?
Oval.
Oh yeah. Okay. Now all we have to find is a weird-looking house, and we have to find a church. That's it. So we've already found a church. It's right over there. But now we need a weird-looking house. Okay.
That's gonna be a hard one to find.
Yeah. There is 3 in this
And
neighborhood.
we also need to find a golden swing.
A golden swing? Oh yeah. We have to find like a front porch swing or whatever they're called. I don't know. But oh, lawn chairs.
Basketball net.
What?
Basketball net also.
Oh yeah.
So that would count as a sport also.
But someone playing a sport.
Oh, we already got that.
Yeah. School running.
There. Sewer.
Sewer? Okay. But we need to find a weird looking house. That's it. That's all we
and
need.
the golden swing.
A golden swing? What's a golden swing?
Like, there's one at the front of someone's like court.
Oh, okay.
Oh, ball goes into unrelated.
Yeah. Okay, so we have to find this weird house in under a minute. We don't have much time because our timer was for 10 minutes. Uh-oh. That's the opposite of a weird house. Uh-oh.
We need to go.
Go, 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 go. Let's try to move it. Uh-oh. All right, we got 20 seconds. Okay, we're going to add an extra minute. We found a cannon. Wait, don't we need a restaurant too? Yeah. Okay. We're so close. We have 50 seconds. Oh, this is a weird house. Yeah. Okay, weird house checked off. 30. A golden swing. Yes. We made it with 5 seconds left. Okay. And next video,